Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, with 35mm reversal film and log age, I got this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, we don't see much, but I'm going to use two images, these two, find out something exciting, something interesting image. Okay. Change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image as always. Well, I don't know if I can find something exciting. Let's see. Light and screen. Overlay. Pin light. This is pretty interesting. Some touch shadow colors on, well, her face, skin tones maybe. This luminosity has more shadow, magenta-ish, bluish color. Well, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. This is interesting too. Purple color. Well, let's see it. Let's try something different. Get this image first. Then I may paint for outside scenery. Well, okay, let's try this luminosity effect first. Select both and make group. Now duplicate this group. Then flatten this image to get one image. Now it's too much, no colors in it. So let me see, duplicate this layer, then one of the top layer. Change blend mode to linear burn. Multiply, gets more colors. No difference. Well, multiply or linear burn. Okay, just merge down. Now we got this much of the color, and then well, I'm gonna rename all the name, 3 layers. Okay, I renamed luminosity effect layer, then pencil drawing type image, bring this one back to normal. This is pencil drawing type image, and then original image. Okay, I'm gonna move both 2 layers out of this group, and then just delete this group. Now I'm gonna work on, let me see, move this pencil drawing type image, move to top. Then let's see, turn on this luminosity effect layer. This green is kind of interesting. Green look, this texture. Luminosity effect and original image 50%. Pin light. This is interesting. Well, original image 50. Well, happen to have this kind of color. Well, I want to fix this image. Now I'm going to duplicate this original image. One is just bring back to 100% normal, turn it off to keep it. Then this original 50% opacity with this luminosity effect layer. Pin light, max. Okay, now I'm going to merge down to get this image fixed. Yeah, This is interesting. Nice purple, bluer shadow side color, I think. Okay, let's start it from here. This is gonna be the new base. So okay, just merge down. And we got this image fixed. Now this one I'm going to rename. How's this? Luminosity effect layer. Change blend mode to pin light effect. Now it's normal blend mode to get this image. Okay, I'm gonna make mask, and I want to add some colors. So I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then I'm gonna paint on this. Now sketching to Bonobo chalk. Just to emphasize some colors. Well, I add some colors on this original image. This much, pretty subtle, but there is colors. Okay, let me see this luminosity effect layer on, and now I'm gonna make mask. Then mask some with the bonobo chalk. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna look like. I want to see the texture of the brush. So change to drawing to evolve. Let's see. Try to add layer, then filling with white paint. Now make mask. Now I'm going to review this. Let's see with evolve first. Now change to bonobo chalk. I want to move this pencil drawing type image up. Then it's darkened so we see the lines. Just a touch. I may add some okay, good right. Well, I guess that's it. I don't think I'm gonna use this surrounding frame of pencil drawing type image. Well, show you this. This is the original image. Then I add colors on this layer. Then I got luminosity effect layer changed to pin light effect. Get this image. Then I change the blend mode to linear burn over this original image. That's kind of too reddish image, but I may mask the face from this. Then I add white layer mask. Well, fill in the white, then made mask, then show this much. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your guys' support, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work using changing blending mode to express some different interesting image and well, selective mask work. Well, that's about it. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.